Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the Peugeot 207 heater blower motor, heater resistor, and in the process we're going to be removing the glove box in order to get to these parts. If you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel. Now starting off, to the bottom of the glove box there will be a little cover. There will be a Torx screw over there. We will need to remove the Torx screw and then pull this cover off, just to have some space to work with. Next, when you open the glove box, we're going to first attach the diagnostic plug, like so. And then we will go ahead and remove all the Torx screws. I believe they were T20, as you can see. 2 to the top, and then 1 over there. And then towards the bottom where the circle around the Torx screw, the 2 of these are the ones you want to remove, not the other Torx screws. And then it'll be a simple pull off. And then the glove box will be off, and we will need to unplug the light, the courtesy light and the dead plug by pressing onto the clips. You can do this by hand or with a flathead metal screwdriver. Please don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Next, there will be a cover or material cover, and we will remove the nut. You can turn, twist it anti-clockwise, and then remove, and then you'll push that cover upwards, and you can have access to the blower motor. We will first unplug the motor. This is the plug on each side. Press and then pull the plug off. Next, we'll need to remove this bracket to wriggle the blower motor out. Detach the heater ventilation system, and then with 10mm remove the 2 bolts. Without removing this bracket, the heater blower motor won't wriggle out. Next, we'll be pulling and wriggling the heater blower motor out, and what you do over here is to detach. There will be this tab, pull it inwards like this and twist it anti-clockwise, and then pull the heater motor and wriggle it out. The heater resistor is over here. With a flathead metal screwdriver, just push onto that part over there, and then the plug will come out. And then this clip you can see circled, you'll need to pull that in and then push the heater resistor down. Watch exactly that part, what I do over there, and that's how you remove the heater blower motor and the resistor. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.